Lost important files? We've got you covered. If you've been using computers for a while, chances are you've experienced the gut-wrenching moment of losing irreplaceable data, whether it's a hard drive failure, a corrupted flash drive, or even a virus. Rendering your computer useless, disasters seem to strike when we least expect them. That's why having a reliable data recovery tool in your arsenal is absolutely essential. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly rated solutions out there, Stellar Data Recovery Professional. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more AI updates. Step 1. Installation and download. Let's start by downloading Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Go to their official website and click Download now to get the software. Once downloaded, run the installer, follow the prompts, and you'll have Stellar Data Recovery Professional up and running in no time. Step 2. Ease of use. Now, let's talk about the user interface and ease of use. For this review, I tested Stellar Data Recovery Professional on a recently formatted USB flash drive, which I accidentally wiped clean. The interface is simple, clean, and beginner-friendly. Right off the bat, a wizard helps you choose what type of data you want to recover, everything, or just specific file types. Once you've made your selection, it's time to choose the drive you want to recover files from. I selected my accidentally formatted local disk, D, hit the scan button, and let Stellar do its magic. Step 3. Scanning process. After a few minutes, the scan was complete. Stellar found 34 files and across 9 folders, totaling 4.0 GB of recoverable data. Not bad for a quick scan. From there, the software displayed a detailed list of recoverable files, organized for easy browsing. Step 4. Recovering files. Now, the fun part, recovering those files. I chose to save them to a new folder on my desktop labeled Recovered Files. After clicking the Start Saving button, Stellar transferred all the recovered data smoothly. Once the recovery was complete, I opened the Recovered Files folder, clicked into the hashtag root directory, and there they were, everything I thought was lost forever, fully restored. Now, let's dive into the key features of Stellar Data Recovery. First off, it can recover all types of files, including photos, videos, documents, and even custom file formats. Whether you've accidentally deleted, Stellar can help retrieve them. You can also recover data from a variety of sources: your computer's internal hard drive, external drives, USB flash drives, memory cards, and even CDs or DVDs. The tool also works with non-bootable and encrypted drives, giving you the flexibility to handle tough situations. And here's where it gets even better. The Technician version supports advanced features like RAID recovery, as well as repair capabilities for corrupted photo and video files, making it a comprehensive solution for both casual and professional users. Stellar Data Recovery isn't just for PCs. It's also available for iPhone and Android, so you can recover lost files on the go. Whether it's a phone or a computer, Stellar has you covered. Stellar Data Recovery offers 3 pricing options to fit your needs. Links in the description. So, is Stellar Data Recovery worth it? In my tests, it performed exceptionally well with a high recovery rate. It's easy to use, supports a wide range of devices, and includes powerful features like RAID recovery and file repair in the professional and premium tiers. Although it isn't the cheapest solution, if you're serious about data recovery, Stellar is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.